So here's how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Facebook app. After that, here you have to simply sign into your Facebook account. Now click on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. From here you have to simply scroll down and go to the settings and privacy, and then click on the settings option. After that, here you have to click on the news feed. Now in the news feed you have to click on the unfollow option. Here you will be able to view the list of the people, groups and the page you followed on Facebook. Now to simply unfollow them, you have to click on each profile. By clicking on each profile, you have unfollowed them successfully. Just to show you, here I'm going to tap on these accounts to unfollow them. Once I tap on these accounts, now I have successfully unfollowed these accounts. So that's how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once.